This is a tutorial on the website readworks.org. This is a website designed to aid students, grades K through 12, in improving their reading comprehension. In addition to allowing students or supporting students with regard to their reading comprehension, it also offers lesson suggestions to teachers, including how to design their own lesson using ReadWorks and using Google Classroom. The site contains over 1,000 articles and passages over a wide variety of topics. You can see the topics here: STEM topics, poetry, social studies, literary fiction, arts, and holidays and events. The content of these articles and passages is broken down into three types of assignments. We have reading passages, article a day, and paired text. If we chose, say, for example, article a day, which is a 10 to 15 minute daily lesson, your students could go to whatever assignment you've left for them, let's say seabirds and wading birds, and we see the screen pop up. We have 6 different articles, all of them relevant and having to do with seabirds. For our students who can't read or who don't read well, we have an audio right there,
grab, stab, different,
which reads along with the article. And if we scroll down here to the article, we see our vocabulary prompts. Here's the word techniques, and if we click on that, we have not just the definition, but we have an example of it. And if you'll notice, there are audio icons here, which means, again, our students who are less than fantastic readers will not be left behind. If we go back to the content type and we make our choice of paired text, and we chose the paired text of mother cats and their kittens and the chicken and the egg, which are related. Again, we have our availability of an audio speaker there, so our less than stellar readers can keep up. After the students have read both articles, there's a question set here. There will be 2 questions on each article, and then there will be an open-ended questions for the students to compare and contrast both articles. In addition to the 3 content type structures of article a day, reading passages, and paired text, this website also offers the opportunity for students to build their own library. Each day there are suggestions made by the library regarding passages that the student might be interested in. These suggestions are formed from things the student has already read and commentary that the student can make about the passages that they've read. There's also an opportunity here for teachers as well as parents to look over what their student is reading, and they can judge for themselves what kind of progress the student is making with their reading level.